Hey everybody, welcome back. So today this video is in collaboration with Dossier. They sent me 2 fragrances to share with you guys today. So I'm just going to jump right in and open the box. So when you open the box, you see their slogan there, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. There's also a card there which gives you some information about the fragrance. I chose their floral honeysuckle scent. And this fragrance is inspired by Gucci Bloom, and the top notes are green leaves, orange, and honeysuckle. Middle notes are jasmine, sambac, and tuberose. Base notes are orris, sandalwood, and vanilla. Dossier has a wonderful return policy, so if you order an item and you don't like the way it smells, you can just print out a label and return it to them. So right here I'm just showing you what the bottle looks like. The packaging feels really expensive, and I love the size of the bottle. It actually is small enough to where it can fit in your purse if you want it. Now I'm just going to test it in the cap to see what it smells like. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. I would describe this scent as a fresh floral, perfect for spring 2023. So yeah, I really do love and enjoy this one. And also the top is magnetic, which is amazing. Moving on to the next fragrance I was sent. As you can see, the packaging is the same for both fragrances, and this fragrance is called Floral Marshmallow, and it is inspired by Kilian Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. The top notes are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. Middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. Base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. So again, the packaging is the same. For me, this is a very warm scent, great for fall and winter. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. And I definitely do recommend the company. I'm sorry guys, I do not have a promo code for you all, but I think the company is running a Black Friday sale, so you can definitely catch that if you're interested. And without any further ado, let's get into this DIY.